Let's go back a few years. Writing a research paper felt like a mountain climb. You would spend days digging through Google Scholar, trying to understand complex journal articles, and then spend nights editing and re-editing paragraphs just to make them sound right. And don't forget the frustration of citation formatting, APA, MLA, Harvard, each one with tiny differences that could ruin your reference list. Many of us have been there. Tired eyes, coffee cups everywhere, and that blinking cursor on a blank Word document. But today, AI has completely changed that experience. Instead of doing everything manually, you can now use smart assistants that help you to brainstorm ideas, summarize papers, and even refine your academic tone, all while saving time and stress. The key, though, is knowing which AI tools are truly helpful and which ones just create more confusion. So, let's walk you through to 10 of the best AI tools for research writing. And I will show you how to use them together like a professional researcher. My name is Pat, and on this channel, we'll talk about educational technology, AI, and digital productivity. Please subscribe in order to support me. Number 1, ChatGPT. The first one is not a surprise. ChatGPT. It is the ultimate thinking companion for researchers. You can use ChatGPT to refine your research topic, draft your research questions, or even summarize your theoretical frameworks in plain English. For example, if you type, "Explain the theory of planned behavior for my research on students' motivation," ChatGPT will go ahead to give you a clear, structured explanation you can build on. But remember, ChatGPT is not a source of truth. Always verify claim or citation it gives you. Think of it as your assistant, not your authority. I hope you understand. When used wisely, ChatGPT helps you to start strong instead of staring at a blank screen. You may want to check out our video on how to write better AI prompts. Number 2, Elicit.org. So, let us talk about Elicit.org, an underrated gem. Elicit helps you to perform a mini literature review in minutes. You simply type your research question like, "What are the effects of online learning on students' performance?" Then, Elicit researches through published papers, summarizes their findings, and even highlights key variables and methodologies. Of course, it doesn't replace real reading, but it gives you a strong overview, like a personal research assistant who is great at scanning data for you. Number 3, Scite.ai. Now, once you start gathering sources, you will love Scite.ai. Unlike Google Scholar, Scite doesn't just tell you how many times a paper was cited. It tells you why. It shows whether a study supports, contradicts, or merely mentions another paper. That is incredibly powerful for making sure your citations are strong and reliable. So, if you are reviewing controversial topics, Scite helps you to see which studies are actually backed by evidence and which ones are just noise. Number 4, ResearchRabbit. Tell me, have you ever felt lost trying to find related papers? Worry no more. ResearchRabbit solves that beautifully. You start with one paper you like, and it visually maps out other connected studies like a web of ideas. Suddenly, you can see how research in your field evolved over time, and even discover authors who frequently publish on your topic. It is like turning your literature review into a detective story. Now, what do you think? Would a tool like this make your literature review easier or too dependent on AI? Let me know your thoughts in the comment section below. Number 5, connected papers. Now, connected papers works a bit like ResearchRabbit, but focuses more on topic mapping. It helps you to understand how your specific idea fits into the wider research field. You upload one paper and it builds a network of related works based on shared references. This makes it perfect for spotting gaps, those untouched areas that could become your next research project. In number 6, consensus.app. Here is one that feels like science magic. Consensus.app. If you type a question like, does social media affect mental health? Consensus will scan thousands of peer-reviewed papers, summarizing the evidence-based consensus. Instead of reading 20 papers, you get a summarized scientific answer with citations you can trust. It is great for forming a balanced argument or adding strong support to your discussion section. In number 7, we have Jenni AI. Now, meet Jenni AI, your co-writer. Jenni doesn't just help you with grammar, it helps you think as you write. As you draft, it suggests better phrasing, recommends citations, and even generates topic-specific sentences based on your context. It feels like having a smart assistant who understands academic tone, clear, formal, and logical. It is perfect for long papers or thesis. In number 8, we have QuillBot. If you have ever written a paragraph that just doesn't sound right, QuillBot can reward it without changing your meaning. It is fantastic for paraphrasing, definition, restating ideas, or improving readability, especially when you are editing for plagiarism concerns. Just be cautious, don't overuse it. Let it inspire better phrasing, not write for you. In number 9, we have Grammarly. Once your writing is complete, it is time to polish it with Grammarly. Grammarly checks your grammar, tone, and sentence structure in real time. It catches those little things you might miss when you are tired, like missing commas or even long sentences. The premium version even detects if your tone sounds confident or academic. Think of Grammarly as your final line of defense before submission. Finally, we have SciSpace, formerly known as typeset.io. SciSpace combines reading, writing, and citation management all in one place. You can upload a paper, highlight any paragraph, and instantly get an AI explanation. It is perfect for decoding complex scientific language. You can also draft your paper directly in SciSpace, cite sources, and export in multiple reference styles. It is like having your personal digital research lab, everything you need in one workspace. But here is where it gets interesting. Using these tools together can multiply your productivity like never before. Imagine this workflow. You start your topic with ChatGPT in order to refine ideas. Then you use Elicit to scan studies, explore more with ResearchRabbit and connected papers, verify citation using Scite and consensus, and then write and refine your text with Jenni AI, QuillBot, and Grammarly. Finally, manage your full project inside SciSpace. That is a complete AI-powered ecosystem for research writing. Efficient, accurate, and professional. If you are still watching, you are clearly someone who values learning. Please hit that subscribe button now because we are just getting started on this AI in research journey. So, what does all this mean for you? AI is not replacing researchers, it is empowering them, because the smartest scholars today are not just working hard, they are working smart. Use these tools to think deeper, write better, and communicate your ideas with confidence. I hope this video gave you a fresh perspective. Please like, share, and drop your thoughts in the comment section. And don't forget to subscribe so you never miss another episode. If you would like to learn how to perform research data analysis with the assistance of AI tools, I have an easy to follow online course that will teach you how to perform data analysis like a pro. Find the link in the description box below. Until next time, keep learning.